Hello and welcome to this introduction video to Humble Devs. Are you interested in learning how to code? Have you maybe started on that journey at some point and failed to complete it? Are you seeing a whole bunch of videos nowadays claiming that you can just give AI a simple prompt and that it will give you a fully functional application in return? Is that actually true? Unfortunately, not. AI can build beautiful landing pages as well as scaffolding for web applications. However, it does not give you anything that is actually functional. In order to build a functional modern web application, you always have to start with learning and understanding the foundations. Web applications are made out of various components that all have to come together at the end to create your functional app. Doing so, you can also lean on the knowledge of others, as well as the capabilities of AI to accelerate all of that. However, not in the way that these videos claim. Doing so properly, however, will get you to the end result that you are looking for. To help you on that journey is the reason why I'm launching Humble Devs, which will be a live taught bootcamp that will last for 12 weeks to get you from beginner to builder. On the humble-devs.com website, you can find out more. On the Humble Devs website, you will see the pitfalls of most online development courses, as well as how with Humble Devs, I will do my best to help you get past these hurdles and actually reach the finish line. There is also an introduction about myself that you can read through. And past the 12-week program, there are also going to be two different paths that people can continue on, for which I will also continue to provide live streams as well as support in the community to make sure that if people want to launch their own products, that they know what to do, the technologies to use for that, and how to progress in that kind of direction, as well as create a community of people who will help each other in the job searching front, as well as provide a lot of guidance there as well. I want to make sure that Humble Devs is very accessible to anyone who would like to learn how to code and create web applications. And that's the reason why I've priced it super low in comparison to any other course that you will find online today. If you want to dive deeper into what is being delivered with the course of Humble Devs, you can visit the journey page. That will show you where we start with the foundations, how we'll build a static web page to start with, make it more interactive when we get into JavaScript, and we'll be layering on all of the different components that make up a modern web application, like version control, like using modern frameworks, using databases, how all of that comes together. And then after that, we will also dive into using modern frameworks and how that changes the entire perspective of building a web application. We'll talk about security, using databases and the different kinds of databases. We will add authentication to the application, as well as payment methods, if that's something that you guys are looking for. While doing all of this, we will still leverage AI quite heavily, however, in a very controlled fashion, like an actual developer would do. So if you're interested, do visit humble-devs.com and sign up. Thank you very much.